Do you want to be in the top 1% of people who rule the world? If you want to be the greatest, there is only one way. You have to make yourself creative. Now, the real discussion starts here because you have heard the magic word and its name is creative. Now, don't think that creativity is something you are born with or a God-gifted trait. No, creativity is not a God-gifted trait. If you want to make something big, you have to create something. You have to give birth to something. Look, a creative person can never be obsessed with just one thing. Why should you choose just one thing? Why pick a favorite color, a favorite dish, a favorite singer or actor, etc.? Why does being a fan of Ronaldo mean you have to hate Messi? Think about this. When you pick one color as your favorite, do all the other colors start to look bad to you? Can't you like all colors? If love a particular dish, will you eat every day? You all feel like trying something new, but you want to show the world that you like this song, this dish, and you don't like this. That's arrogance, and an arrogant person cannot create anything. So, holding on to just one thing you like and loving it for life while ignoring all the other things is foolishness. It's important to enjoy everything. Therefore, if you want to become great, you need to get rid of this mentality completely. Now, let's get to the main topic, how to become creative. It's very simple. It's not true that creativity is something you are born with. Yes, it's true that some people are born with it, but that does not mean creativity cannot be developed. You can create anything, but you never try. I am telling you to create something every single day. If you don't know where to start, try painting, create music, or try deep thinking on any subject. Trust me, by doing this, you all create something that no one has ever thought of before. Through deep thinking, you will understand something that no one has ever even considered. Believe me, try this approach. Do anything, make a YouTube video, but don't copy anyone. You could even write a book. Just try. Take my own case as an example. I only wanted to make a 1-minute short video on creativity, but I got so deep into it that I did not even realize that it turned into a long script. And here I am, writing this script at 2 a.m., not even knowing how many minutes the video will be. Anyway, moving forward, accept that creativity can be built at any time and you can become creative. So stop waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect idea, or the perfect skill. There is no perfect time to start creating. The only perfect time is now. Creativity does not come from thinking, it comes from doing. The more you create, the more creative you become. Forget the fear of judgment, forget the fear of failure. Every great creator was once a beginner who decided to try. You don't need permission from the world to create something meaningful. You only need courage. Create daily, think deeply, observe everything, stay open to ideas, respect all perspectives, and most importantly, never limit yourself to one identity, one thought, or one path. Growth happens when you explore beyond your comfort zone. Remember this, creators don't follow the world, they shape it. If you truly want to reach the top 1%, don't chase success. Build creativity and success will follow you naturally. Start today, create something and let the world notice you.